Python 3, comparing a specific pair of keys and values between two dictionaries. Edit. In case it helps with context, I am actually trying to generalize this to work in for and while loops, where I would want something like this to work. Original question. Is there a way to compare identical keys in two dictionaries in Python 3 to see if they have the same values? For example, let's say I want the program to return me a true value if a certain set of key value pairs in dicta matches the same set of key value pairs in dict. In this case, key 1 is paired to value y in both dicta and dict. I didn't know if there were good ways to do this, so I naturally tried, hoping to get a true printed to me. Since it didn't work, and I don't know enough about dictionaries yet, I was wondering if there were alternative ways of doing this. Thanks.
Creating merged is painless because the return values of dict.keys, dict.values and dict.items support the set interface with regards to operations such as union, intersection, etc. Caveat: requires hashable values in your dicts. If you have unhashable values, create merged via
First, get the matching keys between the dictionaries, then use a dictionary comprehension to compare each of these matching keys. To just get the keys where the values match, use a list comprehension. Note that both methods are memory efficient, as one does not needlessly store the matching values in the dictionaries.
You could just do what you mentioned in a list comprehension. Expanded.
I wrote this really quick on the shuttle from work. It's sloppy and I could make a loop for dict. But this should work for automating the process of finding the word. But may not work, because I wrote it quick.
If you want to see more, please open a cyber subscribing.